Hello there everyone, Captain Billy J here, and today I have an unboxing. So not only do I do cruises and travel, but I do unboxings because I enter sweepstakes. So I just got this the other day from Lake Air Puffcorn. And so I won on Instagram, and I won 2 codes for 2 variety packs. So I used one code and I gave another code to a friend because it's the holiday season, and Daniel, he loves this Puffcorn, and he's the one that actually told me about this. So thank you, Daniel, for telling me about this. I finally won after months of entering, but let's go ahead and unbox this, shall we? So yeah, every day they post and they give away 5 winners win, and all you have to do is like their post. It's simple, very simple. But now there's a lot more people entering, so it's kind of harder to win. But, all right, so now we've opened up the box, and we have a variety pack in here. So let's go ahead and pull out the different flavors of Puffcorn here. The very first one we have, well, I'll save that one for last. That's a special one. The very first one we have is the classic Lake Air Puffcorn Classic. So we've got 1, 2, it's like 3 of those bags. All right, the next one, cinnamon bun. So cinnamon bun, that looks good. So looking forward to that. There's 3 of those bags in the box. Next up is pancake flavor Puffcorn. So that's great too. Got 3 of those bags. Next up we have white cheddar. Now I love white cheddar beaver nuggets from Buc-ee's, but yeah, white cheddar, those ones are probably going to be one of my favorites. Next up is sour cream and onion Puffcorn. Ooh, so looking forward to trying all these actually. Yeah, so we're getting 3 bags of each kind, and it looks like we're coming down to our very last flavor. It's a very special one. It's just for the holiday season. And, well, it's already past this holiday, but it is Thanksgiving dinner. So yeah, that is a very special one. Thanksgiving dinner flavored. So we'll see. It has all kinds of turkey and stuffing and mashed potatoes and green beans and cranberries. So, you know, it'd be interesting to see what this tastes like. But I'll have to do maybe a taste test or something, or at least give you guys a review of each one. I've heard they're really good, so I can't wait to try it. So thank you guys for watching my unboxing. And also, I have another prize I won recently. I'll post a photo in here. I won a Home Depot gift card, $150 I won in a sweepstakes, and that's just arrived from UPS today. So anyway, so I had 2. I didn't unbox that one. That was a little package, but I already took that out, but want to do an unboxing today. So thank you guys for watching. Yeah, and we'll see you next time. All right. Bye, everyone.